Paul again here with EMD Motorsport at Canberra. I just want to show you this 991 Mark II. Everything's back on the car. Erased the faults. No more faults came back for cooling system and all that other stuff that was locked before. Obviously the rear tail lights and camera and all that fan will be still logged. So we have installed the actual pretty much intercooler on this side here, the cradle for the sway bar in the middle there, torqued up to actually 90 Newton meters plus 90 degrees. Those new bolts as well. Basically I erased the faults and no more faults. Let's have a look at the actual. Now you look at the actual, put this on here so make it look more protection as well. And this one here has more protection as well. And now it's got a cable tie that to that there. One more little cable tie there and then pretty much done. Okay, and now we're going to install the rear bar. All the vacuum lines installed. Pretty much all done. Yep. That's your auxiliary pump. It's right there. The little plug there. That's for the exhaust. I call it the exhaust turbo pump. Basically the same one as a Crafter, VW Crafter. They pump the runs when the car turns off. It still runs like a run-on pump. Brand new ones there. It's all done there as well. That's a brand new one. That's a new valve down there as well. That's a lot of work done on this vehicle. This side here, all done. Okay, so now we're ready to put the rear bar back on, and then we'll go from there.